Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Banana oatmeal is one of the simplest, healthiest and most comforting breakfasts that people around the world enjoy every day. It is made from just a few ingredients, yet it provides warmth, energy, and natural sweetness that can help start the morning in a positive way. Many families choose banana oatmeal because it is affordable, easy to prepare, and suitable for both children and adults. Whether enjoyed before school, before work, or during a relaxing weekend morning, banana oatmeal can be a delicious and nourishing meal that brings comfort and satisfaction. Oats have been eaten for centuries and are considered an important whole grain in many cultures. They are valued for their ability to provide lasting energy and a feeling of fullness. When oats are cooked with water or milk, they become soft, creamy, and easy to eat. Bananas, on the other hand, are one of the most popular fruits in the world. They are naturally sweet, easy to peel, and packed with important nutrients. When oats and bananas are combined, they create a breakfast that tastes wonderful without requiring a lot of added sugar. The process of making banana oatmeal is very simple. Oats are placed in a pot with water or milk and heated gently. As the mixture cooks, the oats absorb the liquid and become thicker and creamier. A ripe banana is then sliced or mashed and mixed into the oatmeal. Some people prefer to add the banana during cooking so that it melts into the oats and spreads its sweetness throughout the bowl. Others enjoy placing fresh banana slices on top after cooking to add texture and freshness. One of the reasons banana oatmeal is so popular is that it provides energy that can last throughout the morning. The carbohydrates in oats are released gradually, helping the body stay fueled for a longer period of time. Bananas provide natural sugars that offer a quick source of energy. Together, these ingredients create a balanced breakfast that can help children stay active at school and help adults remain focused during work and daily activities. Bananas are also rich in potassium, a mineral that helps support healthy muscles and nerves. Oats contain fiber, vitamins and minerals that contribute to a balanced diet. The fiber in oatmeal can help people feel full and satisfied, which may reduce the desire for unhealthy snacks later in the morning. Eating a breakfast that includes whole grains and fruit is a simple way to provide the body with important nutrients that support overall health. Another wonderful feature of banana oatmeal is how easy it is to customize. Cinnamon is a popular addition because it adds a warm and comforting flavor. Fresh berries can provide extra vitamins and bright color. Chopped nuts such as almonds or walnuts can add crunch and healthy fats. Raisins, coconut flakes, chia seeds, and sunflower seeds are also common toppings. Some people enjoy adding a spoonful of peanut butter, while others add yogurt for extra creaminess. Each topping creates a slightly different version of the same simple breakfast. Banana oatmeal can also be prepared with different types of milk. Cow's milk creates a rich and creamy texture, while almond milk, oat milk, soy milk, or coconut milk can provide different flavors and suit various dietary preferences. This flexibility allows many people to enjoy banana oatmeal in a way that fits their tastes and needs. For families with young children, banana oatmeal can be an excellent introduction to healthy eating. The natural sweetness of bananas often makes the oatmeal appealing even to picky eaters. Children may enjoy helping prepare the meal by mashing the banana, measuring the oats, or adding toppings to their bowls. Cooking together can teach basic kitchen skills and encourage children to become more interested in nutritious foods. Banana oatmeal is especially comforting during cooler weather. A steaming bowl of oatmeal can help warm the body on a chilly morning. The sweet aroma of bananas and oats cooking together can make the kitchen feel cozy and inviting. Many people enjoy sitting quietly with a warm bowl of oatmeal before starting their busy day. On warmer days, banana oatmeal can also be enjoyed in a refreshing form. Overnight oats are made by combining oats and milk in a container and leaving them in the refrigerator overnight. In the morning, sliced bananas and other toppings can be added. This creates a cool, refreshing version of banana oatmeal that requires very little preparation. Because banana oatmeal is made from inexpensive ingredients, it is often considered a budget-friendly meal. Oats can be purchased in large quantities and stored for a long time, while bananas are usually one of the more affordable fruits available. With just a few ingredients, a family can prepare a filling breakfast for several people without spending a lot of money. Banana oatmeal is a quick and nutritious meal that provides natural sweetness, energy, and a satisfying start to the day. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.